everyone, good to see you. Well, I have my happy face on today. Yes, I do. I never thought I'd be here making this video, but I am. I finally made it. I climbed that steep mountain of sprinkles and I reached 10,000 subscribers. Woo! It took a while, step by step, but I finally got there. And I have all of you to thank for that. All of your views, your likes, your comments, and your support really helped me to get there. I would be very remiss if I also didn't thank my husband, Tim, who passed away April 8th, 2024. I miss him like crazy, and those of you that have followed me know that he was my cameraman. You all knew him by the name of the cameraman. And he liked to be behind the camera, and he liked to put me in front of the camera. He said, no, you be the star and I'll be behind the camera. And he helped me a lot. And I know a lot of you loved it when we had our banter back and forth. We were married a lot of years, so that's what we did. And I used to call it his sarcasm, but he used to call it his British wit. No, it was sarcasm. So Tim, if you're watching me from up there, I'm sending you a big thank you for all the help you gave me working all those years with my videos. He was a big part of my channel for a long time, so the milestone is his as well as mine. So I want to thank you all for being part of my baking journey, for welcoming me into your kitchens as well as your hearts. Whether you've been with me from the beginning or you're new to my channel, you're the reason I'm here. And I still can't believe it. 10,000 subscribers, woohoo! It may sound like a small channel to many of you, but it means the world to me. It does truly show you that hard work does pay off. I have so many people to thank, and I'd love to name you all, but then I would be afraid that I would skip someone and hurt someone's feelings, and I certainly would not want to do that. So I thank all of you. There are a few people that have been with me practically from the beginning, and I wouldn't want to leave them out. One of them is no longer on YouTube. Natalie, the Beauty Diva. Natalie, for whatever reason, she seemed to have taken a like to me, and she watched all my videos from when I first started. And she commented and gave me likes, and I just think she was wonderful. I do wish she was back on YouTube again. And another is, I think she goes by Mary Ellen After 60. I hope I got that right, Mary Ellen. I'll put it on the screen. Mary Ellen is wonderful. And she's another one. She had more of a beauty channel, a lifestyle channel, but she followed me. She followed me on all my videos and always made such nice comments. And Mary Ellen, she's still on YouTube if you want to go over and see her. But I appreciate you so much. And of course, I can't forget my sister by another mother, Barb Timmerman. Her channel is Take Control Beauty. Barb and I turned out to be really good friends. Like I say, she's like a sister to me. And quite a while ago, several years ago, I had her granddaughter, Bella, and my grandson, Lucas. They did an adorable collab together. And we had a lot in common. We're both Italian. We both adore our grandchildren. And she's been with me all along. And I've been with her. And you know, many of you that follow me or follow her know that she's been going through a tough cancer journey. But she's here. She updates you when she can, and I do the same. So thank you, Barb, for all the support you've given me all this time. And there is just a lot of others. I mean, I can't even begin to name them all. There's a really good friend who is not a YouTube content creator. She lives up in Massachusetts, but her name is Allie. Hi, Allie. And Allie's followed me from way, way back. And she's been a great supporter. She really has. Always makes comments. And I told her, anytime you're in Jersey, let me know. You can come and visit and stay with me for a while. So thank you, Allie. You know who you are, for all your support. And my friend Karen, I'll put her name on the screen. She has a baking and cooking channel, and she's also been a wonderful supporter of mine. So thank you so much, Karen. I really appreciate all your support and all the likes and all the comments you've made to me. I have to also thank my son, Scott, because I have so much fun with my green screen, and he's the one that taught me how to use it. I'm not a professional, but I have a lot of fun with it. Some of you that compliment me on my kitchens, it makes me laugh. I said, oh, I wish I had a kitchen like that. So thank you, Scott, for that. And actually, my grandson, Jake, he's my oldest grandson. He's 22 now. He is the one that got me started on YouTube. I remember many years ago, he was sick and he was out of school and he was here for the day. And we started talking about my recipes and how so many people were asking me for them. And he said, Grandma, why don't you go on YouTube? And I didn't really know that much about it at the time, but he set me up on there. He showed me how to use it. The two of us put our heads together and came up with my channel name. And well, here I am. And there are so many other people that have followed me from way back. Ellen and I did my first collaboration together, and she walked me through it. Thank you, Ellen. And please don't be offended if I don't put your name on there. I know who you are, and I just can't name everybody. But 10,000, oh my goodness. I am so excited. I almost peed in my pants. And it's so funny because when I saw that go up to 10,000, I'm like, oh my goodness. But then, you know, YouTube's funny. It'll go down 1, it'll go up 3, it'll go down 5, it'll go up 7. And I didn't want to put this video on there until I was sure that I was at 10,000. And yes, I am above 10,000 now. So I look forward to bringing you more videos. You know, I do sweet, savory, I do holidays, special events, some reviews, and hopefully the best is yet to come. So I don't have a cake, I don't have a party, but I have a lot of balloons, as you can see, and I have a lot of love in my heart for each and every one of you that helped to bring me here. I love you all and appreciate you so much. A lot of fun ahead. I hope so. So from the bottom of my sprinkled, covered heart, I send you all a big thank you. So, I guess that's all for now. I'm so excited, and oh, I can't wait to get this video on to tell you all I reached 10,000 subscribers, yes! And I wanted to thank you all. So don't forget to come back. And once again, I love and appreciate every single one of you, because without you, I wouldn't even be here. I wouldn't even have a channel. So I will see you all very soon, and I'll say goodbye with my usual Toodles!